ever wanted to connect to a remote computer, do the following. Start, all programs, accessories, remote desktop connection. Type the IP into the box. It's 192.168.0.5. Click connect down here. It'll warn you about security, just click yes for specially local ones. It'll load a login screen which will allow you to enter your credentials, username, password, and for that remote computer to access it. And I was already logged in on the remote computer, so it logs me in faster. To show that it is the remote computer, I am running with Windows 7, which doesn't support the MSG function, and it is supported in here. So close that. You can run anything on it. You can set it to a load of desktop background, which I'll show in a second. To log off, select the log off. To just disconnect and leave that computer logged onto your account, just click disconnect and disconnect again. If you open the remote desktop again, click the options button and go to display local resources, and then you can select keyboards, what you want to use, clipboards and printers, configure remote audio settings and things like that. You can select the program that you want to start, and you can select what you want. So I would use desktop background, font smoothing, desktop composition, show window content while dragging, and menu and window animation. To use a remote computer like this, you would be required to, like an external computer from your network, you would be required to have quite a fast connection. But for local computers, it's just straight through your 48 or 56 megabyte connection, so as long as your Wi-Fi supports that, which majority do, you'll be okay. And you can just reconnect, or it should save the settings when you close it. To find the IP address of the computer, if you were sitting at it, type in ipconfig, which I use in one of my other videos, and then it'll tell you your connection, which mine is 192.168.0.11, and that's the connection I am to the internet, my gateway, and that would be the IP you would have to use for the remote. Sometimes IPs can change if you haven't used IP reservations, which I'll show in the next one for Netgear routers only.